Alright, back out here just to follow up. Out with the old and with the new. Got the trailing arms in there. Ellen come out last night right at the end and helped me put the last one in because I just completely run out of gas. And I wanted to get them finished. So anyway, they're in there. That's a job I was putting off. Did them. I didn't change the bushings right there in the rear end housing because the plan is to get another rear end at some point with Pawsey in it. Well, just give me a minute to get up off the floor here. Oh, side job. Sam and Tristan putting a transmission in his Ranger. They haven't done anything for a little while. Anyway, on to the next project. I bought some Flowmaster lost pipes, and over here in Speedway Motor Box, I got me some mufflers. I had to get the offset. They say offset inlet and outlet so the pipes fit right. Now I don't have the stock, as you remember in my other video. However, they do come back pretty close to the dry shaft on either side, so I might have to extend the pipe a little bit. But we'll see. That's all under the car stuff, most of it. So there probably won't be a lot of filming on that. I will give an update on anything, and what a pain in the butt it's going to be, I'm sure. I don't know where the hangers go for the tailpipes, all the way in the back. I'll have to eyeball that, get clearance. That hump, which I know the sun is pretty bad here. That hump there is not very wide for clearance on that rear end. But these were supposed to be stock replacements, except in a 2.5 inch diameter. So we will see. Had one up under there just for a eyeballing it a week or two ago, and looks pretty tight. Anyway, that'll be for another video. Anyway, sooner or later, we'll be out from underneath the old girl. But still chugging away to get all this stuff done. Alright, that's it for now. Goodbye.